Selena, watch out, watch out. Yeah, that's crazy.
Wow!
There's so much good food here.
Yeah. This one, right? Yeah.
So guys, good morning. How is everybody doing?
I'm good.
We're gonna go to the city. We're just gonna go roam around.
So you can throw garbage there also. Oh, there.
Where?
There.
Really?
Yeah.
Hello. Sawadika. I don't know. I don't think so.
Look, he's trying to get your garbage too.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you think we can put it here? Is this okay? Oh my goodness. Damn, I didn't know.
They have, right?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, guys, we need to take money out again. Because then this animal.
Who?
You. Then we spend so much money. It's crazy. Huh, little man? What you got? You only got yourself one toy.
Yeah.
Wow, guys. Then those Asian women, guys, be careful.
Expensive, huh?
They will make you broke. Me, I'm lucky. She don't have a sister or a mother, you know, who needs all those new shoes, you know.
Yeah.
We only spend money on Selena. But lots of Asian women, you know. Then their whole family needs your money. Did they ever ask?
Huh?
Did they ever ask your husband to give us money?
Yeah, of course. My one sister.
Really?
Yeah, of course.
Damn.
And I don't want, because it's not your responsibility.
Wow.
They are grown up.
Damn, that's crazy. Even if Selena will ask, my sister needs money. There's no way. Yeah. I would be okay if they talk to me, you know.
Yeah.
If they will be my friends also. But they're not my friends. They even don't say hello to me. So
Yeah,
why the fuck I need to give them money?
They don't speak English.
They don't speak English, but they speak Bisaya. Kumusta ka? Manapon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wanna see now? Let's
Then
go.
the car is so far.
See the car. That's why you're looking.
What are you doing here? Huh?
Is he eating grass?
Let me see camel though.
No, you're crazy. You're crazy. Come on,
Look at this.
Where?
X-Max.
Is that X-Max?
Yeah.
Ah.
Old one. Then but look how much room there is.
Wow, that's big.
Yeah, super big.
That's really big.
Then this
Why
one.
so short?
I don't know.
Did
Them-
they change the tire with it?
I don't know. Them it's so old. Got so much sun.
Yeah. Look, the color, it don't look nice anymore.
Yeah.
Car.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
I put it. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Like that. Oh yeah.
Wait.
Baby boy.
Is it Honda?
It's a Honda, yeah.
Oh.
Where are you going?
The thing is, he booked the wrong one.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Maybe. I've done this many times. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Oi.
Bye-bye. So guys, we're gonna go take the Sky train. We're gonna drive 4 stations, boop, 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 and then we're gonna roam in the city. My good wife don't even ask where are we going.
Yeah.
I like that. She trusts me.
Of course.
I always give her the best.
Trust your man.
Yeah.
Don't trust your wife.
Yeah, that's true. If I ask Selena, what do you want?
You choose.
You choose.
Because
Taxi.
you have a good taste also. Taxi. Where's the taxi?
Over here, that's taxi.
Ah, this
Sawadee
one.
Kap. Hello, sir. That's taxi, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Sawadee Kap, sir.
Nak, look at the bird. We go here. That's the bird, baby. Look. The bird.
Elevator.
McDonald's is here.
Yeah.
Many people, huh? But people don't want to walk on the stairs.
Yeah.
Wow, it's so empty.
From Pong. Hello, sir. From Pong.
Tum.
From Pong.
Huh?
From Pong.
Prumpong.
Prong. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
I'm gonna do it like that.
Let's go. Yeah. Hello, sir.
Is it the right one?
Ooh.
Damn, you're scaring me. Oh, you're hurting
Oh wow. Emptiness.
Hey.
You got scared, huh?
Of course. Light. It's not like a feeder. You just catch it like that.
That's your daily allowance.
How much is that?
I don't know. I think that's 10.
That's 10.
That's 10, yeah. 10, 5, 1.
That's quick.
Yeah, only 4 stations.
Yeah, so fast.
Yeah.
Where?
Let's go store. Every station, they have a store.
The water is over there. I want coconutty. Coconutty, where's my coconut? I took this one. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the very
Yeah, I
good
want
one.
this one.
Thank you so much.
We didn't come here, right?
No,
we
never.
didn't. Damn, it's so nice here.
Yeah, very nice.
Damn, I saw all the expensive stuff here. Gucci, oh my goodness.
Yeah.
It's nice to be in the Bangkok.
Yeah, true.
We have everything here.
Yeah.
You see this?
Yeah. What?
You bring the baby bed here.
It's not rainbow.
Rainbow?
It's the bayut.
Yeah.
LGBT.
Yeah, LGBT.
Thank you, sir. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yeah.
Where we go?
We go straight. The shop is somewhere here. We need to go there. Weed again.
Somebody's that small. Is there? Oh,
Yeah, let's go inside. Oh my goodness.
Sam, I smell that in the mountain. Like there's a grass, like smell like that.
I told you many times it smells like.
Yeah.
Do you remember every time we go to the pineapple?
Yeah.
We're gonna come down. There's one turn.
Yeah.
It smells all the time over there like this.
That's why you say it smells.
Yeah. Now we need to go get some money. Look at this public transportation. That's crazy.
That's the transportation.
Yeah, that's public transportation.
Wow. Where can you take money out?
Let's see. Let's try.
I hear.
Yeah. Then this time I'm not gonna take that much. Otherwise we just spend it so fast. It feels like we have so much money. English. Shows only 10k. Specify. Okay, let's try to do like this. Correct. Oh, that's our money. I got 20k, then that's so nice. Where do you want to go?
Ta-da!
Selena, watch out.
What? What is he doing?
I don't know what he's doing.
He touched it! Wow, what is this place?
Thai food, baby.
Yeah.
It smells good.
Is it best also?
Sawadee Cup.
Didn't want to speak to you today.
Exotic massage, baby. You want? Let's go away.
Let's go back.
Tell me, if I walk on the streets, it makes me feel weird, you know?
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, this
I don't
place
like those
is like
streets.
a bar street,
Yeah,
right?
whole streets. Let's buy something here.
Wow.
Yeah, you just tell the guy what you want. They have so much good food here.
Yeah. What's that? That's ribs, right?
That's it, yeah. That's so nice. Oh wow, they even have salmon.
Yeah, the salmon. Yeah, this one, right? Yeah.
Damn, they have so much good food here. That's crazy. Damn, it's so cheap. That's crazy.
What's that? I got so much also.
Yeah, 1,000. Give 1,000.
Okay, 1,000.
Damn, I can't believe it's so cheap.
How?
I don't know, it's crazy. Damn, my dog is gonna be like 1,000.
Yeah, we also. Tay.
When are we gonna get our food?
Oh my, I don't know. Wow. That's a nice food.
Damn,
Damn, I got
that's
so
crazy.
much. Baby boy want to eat already.
Damn.
He's hungry, but he's hot.
Yeah. It's hot. No.
Yeah, he want to eat. Oh my, that's so juicy.
How is it?
Oh my god.
Really? Damn, I can't believe.
It's so good.
Yeah. Very good. Damn, I can't believe all of this, guys. 20 USD. Yeah, that's crazy.
Wow! Yeah, I feel like nature here.
Damn, guys, look at these cakes. Damn, that's just unbelievable.
This one also. Chili. And also
this one also. You also want that?
Yeah. Oh my god. He's still shy still.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah, he's still shy.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Go get it.
Oh wow, it's so good.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it. That's the cake I like the most.
Really?
That's my favorite. Yeah, right here we're just gonna go take the SkyTrain. All we gotta do is buy the ticket over there. I just need to go up. And we are home already.
Not to wear backpacks.
I saw it.
Oh my god.
What time is it now?
6:30.
6:30?
Yeah.
6:30 we still have sun.
6:30.
Oh my goodness. 6:30.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's good, right?
We still have sun. It's still 4.
Yeah. Go. Oh wow, damn, that's crazy.
Huh?
We can go straight to the Lotus here.
Really?
Yeah, why are you
let's
doing
go.
other way?
Let's go here. Oh
Give them my
wow.
money. Yeah, you're welcome, sir. Let's go.
That before we always walk downstairs.
Yeah.
Why we didn't come here?
I didn't know.
Whoa. I have.
Oh wow, look at this.
Yeah, get this one.
Ooh.
Hold him. I will get the one that I got last time. Here. Then,
Yeah,
what is that?
for the... Yeah, I need a pen. Because we're doing something. What is this?
Thank you.
Thank you, miss. Jesus Christ.
It's okay. We go home anyway.
But then... he will go to the taxi. Take this shit off from him. Damn, baby, why not? Baby, clean him. Damn, that's not good. Damn, everything is covered in chocolate.
We are home,
Yes, madam.
Yes. Madam.
Is it possible to go to the city not spending any money, huh?
Nope.
There's no way, right?
No.
There's so much good things to buy.
Yeah, there's so many. It's cooling your eyes like this. Oh, me, I want to try everything
Yeah, I
that
know,
I
I
never
know.
seen.
Yeah,
I want
yeah,
to try all of it.
Serena wants to try that. You don't do
I like to explore.
Yeah.
Explore it. Look what he's doing.
We bought this, so we can put the TV for the baby. But I don't even know if the TV has the HDMI. Of course they have. Yeah, baby boy.
Look at him standing like that now.
Yeah, unfortunately that's not smart TV.
Yeah.
Okay,
Like
let's
that?
drink this, baby girl.
Drink?
Yeah.
What drink?
They put the fresh coconut into the plastic. Damn.
It's not good. It's like the one that we bought, the bottle that we bought is almost tastes like that. It's not fresh. But is it boko?
Yeah.
Is it boko?
Yeah. For me, it's super good. I like this so much.
I want to open this one.
Damn, it's so good actually. I like this even more.
You
than
like
that.
it?
Yeah. I really like this.
You know, you want to finish it?
Yeah, of course.
I want to open this one. Yeah, look at my chicken.
Serena, don't leave that here.
Yeah.
Put it here. It will continue cooking.
Okay. I like that.
Yeah, guys, look at this what we bought.
It's so good. Got that one.
Is it good? So guys, that's it. Yeah, I don't wanna. I'm full already. That's it. That was our day. Yeah, hopefully next week, guys, we're gonna go another country. We're waiting for the visa. Yeah.
Hopefully.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and guys, as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye.